How to print from Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can print from Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up Canva. For that, you can head over to any web browser and simply search for canva.com. Make sure that you're logged in. Now what you'll need to do is simply open up your project that you want to download or print. And after you open it up, I'll just use a random resumes template here. So to print this very page, you will need to first download this page as a PDF or any other format. So to do that, first head over to the share option that is on the top right corner, and you will see a download button. Tap on download, and here you will need to choose your file type. So I'll just use the standard PDF, or you can also use for PDF print. It is the best version for the printing of this page. Here you will see crop marks and bleed. You will see flattened PDF. You can choose whichever you want. You can even choose your color profile, and after you do that, tap on download. It should start downloading right here, and after your download starts and ends, you can open up your download. So let me just open this up, and here you will see the print option right here on the top right corner. Tap on it and connect to your printer and tap on print, and it should print your canvas design. And yeah, it's that simple. That is how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and bye bye.